Good morning, all of you. This is Divya Soni from RPIT campus, Visada Karnal, nursing tutor in the nursing department. Today we'll discuss about the topic mania. Instructional objectives, that is that including in the mania, that is that at the end of this class student should be able to understand definition of the mania, list of the classification of the mania, list of the sign and symptom of the mania, list and the cause of the mania, and the treatment of the modalities of the mania. Introduction. A mania is a distinct period during which there is an abnormality and a persistently elevated, expensive, or the irritable mood. This period of the abnormal mood must last at least 1 week, less if the hospitalization is required. Mania is the mood and which the abnormal elevated arousal energy level. Mania is the state of the extreme physical and the emotional elation. The word is the derived from the Greek mania, meaning the madness and the frenzy. Classification. Mania is classified into three types: mixed, hypomania, and the associated disorder. Mixed state, it is a state that the individual has the co-occurring manic and the depressive feature. Hypomania is in the hypomania there is a less need of the sleep and the both goal motivated behavior and the metabolism increases. Associated disorder, a single manic episode insufficient to diagnose the bipolar 1 disorder. Causes. The exact mechanism by which of the mania occurs is not yet known. Based on the mechanism of the action of the anti-manic agent and the abnormalities seen in the patient experiences the manic episode, the following factors are noted. First, the stressful events, the genetic factors, the biochemical factors, neurotransmitter abnormalities or imbalance, seasonal influence, bipolar affective disorder (BPAD). Sign and symptoms of the mania, that is the inflated self-esteem of the grandiosity, decreased needs of the sleep, pressure of the keep talking, flight and the ideas, distractibility, increase in the goal directive activity or the psychomotor agitation. Treatment and the modalities. There is the basically two types of treatment modalities: psychological treatment, organic treatment. Organic ट्रीटमेंट की बात करते हैं, इंक्लूड द ड्रग्स सच एज मूड स्टेबलाइजर, लिथियम कार्बामेनाजाइम वाल्प्रेट्स, एंटी कन्वर्जेंट्स, गाबापेंजिन, टोपिरामेट, लेमोट्रिमकिन और एग्रीगेट ऑफ द साइकोकॉटिक पेशेंट कोड को एडमिनिस्ट्रेटेड एक्सेट्रा. नर्सिंग इंटरवेंशन की बात करते हैं, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द रिलेशनशिप इन द पर्सन बेस्ड ऑफ द एम्पैथी एंड द ट्रस्ट, इंश्योर द पर्सन रिमेन फ्री फ्रॉम द इंजरी, असिस्ट द पर्सन टू डिक्रीज देयर द एग्रीगेशन एंड द हाइपर एक्टिविटी, प्रमोट द पॉजिटिव हेल्थ बिहेवियर इंक्लूडिंग द मेडिकेशन कॉम्प्लेशन एंड द हेल्थी लाइफ स्टाइल, continues promote the person engagement with the social and the support network, ensure the effective collaboration with the others relevant services providers through the development of the effective working relationship and the communication, support the promote the self-care activities for the families and the carriers for of the person with the mania. And the mania is a distinct period during which there is the abnormality or the persistent elevated expensive or the irritability mood. Thank you. This is all about the mania. I hope you will understand this topic.